Hey, what's going on, guys? JPRK31 here. I am back with another break. I'm doing a 2019-20 Panini Donruss hanger box. I've opened the blaster box. I've opened the hanger pack. I even opened that gravity pack. So when I saw this, I was like, all right, why not? Why not try to open this hanger box so that I can get the complete experience of opening the retail Panini Donruss. So this one comes with 50 cards per pack, per box. There is a hanger exclusive green flood parallels, so that's the first time you're going to be seeing that. And for those of you who want to see what you can get out of this, that's the odds right there. Well, not odds, it doesn't show you. Panini doesn't really put the odds anymore. It used to be back in the day, you have like, they'll put the odds in there, and then you look at it and you get so excited about, oh man, I got like a 1:3,000 packs hit something. And I think Panini got smart and they got away from that one. Seems like very common now to get like numbered cards, high numbered cards. So anyway, maybe we'll get lucky and we'll pull an exclusive rated rookie signatures green flood parallels. Maybe we'll pull like a Zion Williams or something. That'll be great. John Morant. Never know, but it's a crapshoot with this Donruss so far for me. I mean, I did pull the LeBron James jersey card out of this pack, so out of this product, so I'm not complaining. All right, here we go. You guys have seen the base, what the base card looks like. Base. Maybe I should be able to complete my base collection of this one already. All right, so here we go. So insert a Blake Griffin. There's Mr. Bruno Fernando, the rookie card. Juma, Kevin Porter, Cameron Johnson, Jordan Poole, Jared Culbert, Matisse, there's Garland, Matisse Thybulle, this guy, Jordan Bone, Cam Reddish. So no Zion on the rated rookies, but I'm not chasing him anymore since I already pulled one card. So this are just going to be all base. So let's go ahead and check on the green. Oh look, the green looks good. Tremont Waters, that's pretty good. I like that card. And think Celtics would be great. So yeah, let's do this. All right. So Tremont Waters is a rated rookie. Not bad. We have CJ McCollum. And franchise features of Darren Fox. Oh, that's pretty good. Kind of like this color. Guess this is the green flood parallels. So not bad. Again, I got a Celtics card, so rookie card, so I'm happy. I mean, Tremont Waters is a good player, so I'll take that. Anyway, I kind of like this one instead of the hanger packs. So, but this one's like $10. So, but hey, the green one's not that bad. Imagine pulling a Zion of this. So, anyway, guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next break. All right, goodbye.